Last night I posted my first video about Traffic Supernova, and in this video, we're going to talk about the bonuses that you get if you decide to purchase it through my link. I highly, highly, highly recommend going back and watching this video that was published last night. That not only does a review, obviously the product launches here in about an hour and a half. It's not quite up yet, but this goes over the VSL. We go over the sales page. I also add extra bonuses that you can only get from learning the keyword inside of this video, and there's some awesome bonuses. And then in this video, we're going to go over the core bonuses, kind of a crazy thing we're trying. The core bonuses weren't ready yet last night because my team will go out and either create them or go out and acquire them to make sure it's a perfect fit for Traffic Supernova. And because they weren't ready, I threw in some extra bonuses. So to get the extra ones, you'll have to go here. But in this video, I want to go over the core bonuses that were specifically made for Traffic Supernova. So make sure to go back and watch this video. But in this one, we're going to go over this set of bonuses. And then tomorrow, probably this afternoon, I'm going to pick up this course myself. I'm super excited about it. In the other video, I went over a lot of the use cases that my team and I will use, a lot of suggestions of how you could use it. But we're going to pick it up this afternoon, hour and a half, whenever it comes out. I'll make a video this afternoon, and then that video of me actually being inside the course will come out tomorrow. I'm really excited about this launch, if you can't tell. So definitely recommend checking out all three of these videos. And make sure to leave a like while you're here. Bonus number one is the 100 viral title and thumbnail psychology template. So understanding how thumbnails work is the whole key. So I tell people all the time, so if you're not familiar, we have a high-end coaching program where we teach people how to hit consistent 10K months using YouTube. I think it's the simplest, most predictable, and scalable way to really make money online for those of you who actually want to leave your 9-to-5 job. I have a full free training in the description if you want to learn more about that. But also the link in the, I should have covered this in the beginning. The link in the description will take you to this page. This is my affiliate link right here. So when you click that, that'll take you over to Traffic Supernova. And if you're not familiar with affiliate links, it just means I get a commission. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but that allows me to give you all these extra bonuses because the brand pays me for promoting their product for them. So again, I have a high ticket offer, high ticket coaching that teaches people how to do consistent 10K months on YouTube. I've been doing this for a while. We have like 6, 7 channels, something like that now. We're actively running 3, but we have some other ones we do some occasional stuff on. We're actively running 4, I guess you could say. So I know a little bit when it comes to viral titles and thumbnails. We've tested a lot of stuff over the year. This is one of the areas I've grown the most, and the AI has helped me a ton because I used to be really bad at thumbnails. Like, even though I knew what converted, I didn't know how to make them. So I would have to go out and pay people, and it cost me a lot of money. It's unreal right now what you can do with AI. Not even in like a scammy way, but even videos like, even ones like these that can just put me in different contexts, which gives me a lot of strategy there. I will say I do think the thumbnails on my other channel are even a little better than these, but sorry, I'm all over the place. So that's going to be the title and the thumbnail psychology. I will say people get this wrong all the time. People don't click on a video because of the thumbnail. This is why this bonus is both things. The way this usually works, and now that you hear this, you'll think about this when you watch videos. The thumbnail gets your attention. The thumbnail makes you read the title, and the title makes you click. Okay, so we're not trying to get someone to click just from the thumbnail. We are trying to get interest from the thumbnail. We are trying to stand out in the crowd with the thumbnail. We're trying to develop curiosity or interest or intrigue, right? Like, we want them to see and go, either that's specifically what I'm looking for, like that's what I'm searching for, or what the heck, that seems odd or abnormal, or I don't see this very often, or you're trying to develop some emotion depending on what kind of video you're creating. And then where you actually sell the click is in the title. The title is what is going to make someone click. Every 99% of the time, this is how it works. People scroll, they see a thumbnail. Oh, that's interesting. Let me read the title. Don't love it. Let's go to the next one. So having both of these pieces is so important. That's going to be bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is the affiliate link supercharger, the description cheat sheet. So how do you actually make sure your description is optimizing for links? We played this game a long time. We have tested thousands of videos at this point, trying to identify the best place to put links, how many links before it becomes overwhelming, what is the actual best strategy for link. And when we still test stuff, I mean, there's still times where we're like, okay, we think this is what's the case, but let's throw in some videos where things are a little different and see if they outperform. It is if you're making videos, especially in the make money online niche, but in any niche, not understanding the links for everything, right? Like we're not trying to make most of our money from AdSense. AdSense is good, but it's not how we actually make our money on YouTube. It's from the links. It's from our affiliate links. Sorry, my voice is a little shot this morning. It's from our digital products. It's from our lead magnet that adds subscribers to our list. This is how we're actually making our money. So making sure your description is optimized for SEO and that your links are in the best optimal position for them to convert is incredibly important. So we'll talk about that in bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is the multi-platform repurposing matrix. So if we are going to spend all this time creating YouTube content, we have to make sure we are repurposing it and getting the best bang for our buck. That doesn't mean spending time and manually doing this. Like, how can we set up a system where this happens on autopilot? A system where all of the content and the energy we're putting into YouTube is automatically getting dispersed and we're still getting traffic. Now, end of the day, you kind of have two options. Usually the case is you could manually do it or have someone on your team manually do it. And it's probably going to be more optimized because you're obviously like making changes specifically for that platform. But if you're a one-man operation or a small team, I tend to think I would rather just get it dispersed, save the time, and get like 60 to 70% of the traffic that I would get if I actually optimized. So we're going to show you how to repurpose more for a one-person or one-person team or a small team so you can get the best bang for your buck. Bonus number 4 is the 10 critical settings for maximum viral lift. There are things that people do who go viral, that normal people don't know about. There are things that you can do that just set you up for success. So we're going to make sure to give you the settings that you need to have in place on your backend. Some are settings, some are defaults, like some are just like how you should have your channel most optimized to make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck, which is going to help you be found more in search. It's going to help your content be recommended more in browse. So that's bonus number 4. Bonus number 5 is monetization beyond AdSense, 3 hidden income streams. Obviously, AdSense is great. We really like making money directly from YouTube, but that should always be extra. That should always be like, oh, didn't know I was making that money this month. That's cool. How we're actually making our money, like what we are actually planning for, are these 3 hidden income streams. So in this one, we're going to talk about different ways to monetize your content beyond just AdSense to make sure you are getting the absolute best bang for your buck with Traffic Supernova. So really excited about these bonuses. I think they're phenomenal. They're going to really help you take Traffic Supernova to the next level and make the maximum amount of money with this strategy. If you go back through my channel right now, you'll see I haven't promoted something quite this hard since, as like a launch product, like because I think what they're going to do, this is usually the case, they'll launch for about a week and then they'll increase the price. So during a launch, the only other 2 things I've ever promoted this hard where I promoted Offer Lab really hard, and I did 3 videos for the no sale profit system, which was a great system. This is the 3rd thing I've ever promoted this hard because I am very, very, very excited about it. We did the preemptive video last night, the bonuses today, and then a video will come out tomorrow going over what it's like inside the actual product once I have access to it and can give you more feedback. But here's the thing, if you haven't gone back and watched this one yet, the VSL talks about how you can literally set it up and never have to touch it. That is unbelievably powerful. Now, what I recommended in the other video is a lot of people will go into the make money online niche and they'll try to utilize this for launch jacking, which isn't a bad idea by any means. But if you go into an industry that just doesn't have as much content and you can go answer highly specific questions using Traffic Supernova, you're going to crush. Or you go onto Amazon and do it in bulk for high ticket products and add your affiliate link and a call to action that the link's in the description, it's going to crush. Like there's so many cool ways to utilize this. So let me know in the comments how you're going to use Traffic Supernova. Make sure use the link in the description to come, and then this button right here to go pick up Traffic Supernova, and then email me at info@jakethornhill.com. Oh, we need to fix that. Sorry, sometimes stuff happens. We'll try to fix that and turn that white here soon. But email me at info@jakethornhill.com, and that's how I'll be able to know that you actually made your purchase, and I can email your bonuses over to you. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you again very soon on tomorrow's video going over Traffic Supernova from behind the scenes. See you then.